So this is Imani doing the cinnamon challenge.
Second time.
Second time, part 2.
It's making a mess. This is a big spoon. You sure this is a tablespoon?
You don't got it.
Why so hard?
That look easy though.
What look easy?
The cinnamon challenge.
Yeah, okay. When you try it, you won't be saying that.
Well, I don't think that look easy now. Hold on. That's a lot, Imani.
You gotta do a whole tablespoon. Alright, move down and start tablespoon.
Part 2, baby. You can do it, Imani. You can do it. Come on, Imani. You can do it. Do it for $50,000. Show the world you can do it. Part 2.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's disgusting.
You can do it. Just think of Applebee's. Think of a big steak sandwich.
Stop being rich. Oh my god. It tastes like.
What did it taste like?
Stop. I almost got it.
Come on, Imani.
I'm about to throw up.